Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. Today is 27th of October. So we're going to start our analysis with the chart on our screen. This is Euro USD JPY. I draw my charts, if I leave my charts like this, you may not see exactly what I'm going to say, but it's better to start from this point because it looks much more clearer in some ways. Look at this. We have a trend line like this here. So we had some support here. The price went up slightly. It came back as a support here. It continued up. It came back as a support, and then it continued up before there was this breakout to the lower side. So as it is now, we are actually looking at this level here. We do expect price to sell off. We're expecting sellers to come in strongly, and the sell which we are expecting should push price up to this point, up to this level here. So if you're looking for a sell, this is the correct place to look for a sell from. You should be looking for sell orders. Expect price to sell off now that the price is below this level. We expect price to continue down up to the support which you have on the lower side, this one. So technically we are into a sell. As long as the price is held below this trend line here, the one we have at this point. So I recommend that you keep looking for sell orders. Expect price to sell off. We expect a continuation much lower up to the support which we have at the bottom, the lower one, which is this one here. So the next chart I want us to look at is GBP USD. GBP USD, so far we have a shape. This is like looks like a flag formation, an inverted flag formation, because those are bearish. There were sellers here, and then there's this retracement, and then we've now entered a flag. There's a move up, there's a move down, there's a move up, and then we have a move to the left. So as it is now, we do expect sellers to push price even lower up to the support which you have at the lower side, which is this one. So keep looking for sell orders up to somewhere around this point. So you're on this chart now. Expect sellers to come in up to this level. Expect sellers to push price up to the support. So the next chart is Euro USD. Euro USD so far, we are upwards. I'm going to explain why I'm saying we are upwards. Just look at this level. We had a resistance here. We had a resistance at this point. We had a resistance at this point. We had a resistance at this point. And then there was this candle which actually opened here and ended up closing beyond. So after that close, you can see they are struggling. The price is technically struggling beyond that level, which means we do expect a continuation upwards up to this resistance level, which is 1.19660. So if you are on this chart now, you're supposed to be looking for buy positions. Expect price to continue to the upper side. We do expect a bullish move up to the resistance level which I've mentioned, which is 1.19660, which is at the top. Sorry, this is 660. So the next chart I want us to look at is gold. Gold is still the way we said this yesterday. We were looking for a sell. I even added a fib levels, which is this as the swing high and this as the swing low. Then I said that while the price was upwards, we actually expected it to go up to 61.8, which is exactly what happened. The price went up to 61.8, could not break beyond. It came down. It went back again the second time, could not break beyond. Instead, it came back down. As we're speaking now, you can see that the price is below 50.0% fib level. So what this means is we are still downwards. We expect price to proceed to the lower side up to the swing low which we have here. So technically, this should be the correct place where the price will end up going up to 1848.51. So we are looking for sell positions. We are looking for sell orders. You may want to sell it now. Your stop loss should be above this level. Your take profit needs to be fixed around 1848.51, which is here. So the next chart I want us to look at is Brent oil. Brent oil, so far we are sellers, still we are sellers. We are sellers up to this level here. The line which I'm drawing now, this is a very good supportive trend line. We also have a level at the top. So this is somehow a resistance. We have a resistance. We have a resistance here. We took a sell, if you can remember. We recommended a sell around this price. We recommended a sell around this price. The sell went successful. We still expect a momentum to the lower side. We expect price to proceed up to somewhere around this support here. So that trend line will act as our place for taking profit. There's no fixed line where you're supposed to take profit, but if the price gets to that trend line, then that will be the ideal place where we want to look for a sell from, a buy from. The last chart for today is Brent oil, SP 500. So possibly this is a buy now. I'm going to explain why I'm insisting this could be a good buy. Look at it like this. We have a level here. We have a very good support at this price. We have it there. So previously it was being used as a resistance. We had a resistance. There was this breakout above. The price continued up. It came back up to the same place but could not break below. So as it is now, we actually expect buyers to come in up to this point. So look for buy positions after especially this candle. This candle is a reversal candle normally. A candle which has a big body and equally a big tail, that always stands for reversal. So it means that the price may likely reverse upwards up to this level 3581.0, which is here. So keep looking for buy positions, keep looking for buy orders. Expect price to continue to the upper side. We are looking for buy positions. We are expecting price to proceed up to the resistance level which we have, which is 3581.0, the one we have at the very top. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you. See you.